Ever felt lost in the labyrinth of affiliate marketing programs, unsure which one can truly deliver the profits you seek? Imagine being a digital entrepreneur, navigating through the maze of countless affiliate programs, each promising the moon and the stars. It's a challenging journey filled with twists and turns, dead ends, and unexpected routes. One wrong choice can lead to wasted resources, time, and energy. And let's not forget, in this digital age, time is money. Now, what makes this journey even more complex? It's the desire and the necessity for recurring passive income. Yes, you heard it right. In the world of affiliate marketing, the real goldmine is a program that doesn't just offer a one-time commission, but a consistent recurring income. This is the reward that keeps on giving, the gift that doesn't stop at the first sale but continues to fill your pockets for months or even years to come. But here's the catch. Not all affiliate programs are created equal. Some might lure you with high upfront commissions but offer no longevity. Others might promise recurring income but fail to deliver in terms of product quality or customer retention. This is where the real challenge lies. How do you find an affiliate program that offers both a high-quality product and a chance for recurring passive income? As digital entrepreneurs, our aim is to build a sustainable business model, one that thrives in the long run. Our quest is for an affiliate program that doesn't just offer a profitable partnership, but also a reliable one. A program that ensures customer satisfaction, thereby guaranteeing repeat business. A program that believes in the product it sells, ensuring that its affiliates are proud to be associated with it. With countless options at your fingertips, the choice isn't easy. But what if we told you there is a platform that stands out from the crowd? Meet Builderall, an all-in-one marketing system that goes beyond just offering affiliate marketing opportunities. It's a comprehensive suite of over 25 tools designed to streamline your business operations and boost your marketing game. Picture this: a magic text AI for content creation, a drag-and-drop website designer for effortless site building, and an email marketing tool to keep your audience engaged. Need to schedule appointments or host webinars? Builderall's got you covered. Running an online learning platform? Builderall is on it. Need a chatbot for customer support? You guessed it. That's right, Builderall has that too. But here's the cherry on top: the powerful analytics tool that gives you a holistic view of your business performance. It's like having a bird's eye view of your entire digital landscape. All these features are not just bells and whistles, they're amazing tools that can empower digital entrepreneurs, especially those venturing into affiliate marketing. It's more than just a platform, it's a partner that's geared towards your success. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from those who have found success with Builderall. Hear it straight from the horse's mouth. We've got testimonials from satisfied Builderall users who found the success they've been seeking. Let's start with Emma, a digital entrepreneur who had been struggling to find a comprehensive digital marketing solution. Before I found Builderall, I was juggling between multiple platforms for email marketing, website building, and customer support. It was not just time-consuming, but also draining my resources. But with Builderall, I have all these tools in one place. It has significantly streamlined my operations, and I've seen a 35% increase in my revenues in the last 6 months. Builderall has truly been a game changer for me. Next, we have a testimonial from a former corporate employee turned digital nomad, Daniel. I wanted to escape the 9-to-5 grind and have a location-independent lifestyle. Builderall's affiliate marketing program was my gateway to this dream. Now I earn a steady passive income that allows me to travel the world while working on my terms. The best part is, Builderall's team provides excellent support and training resources, so I was able to hit the ground running even without prior experience in affiliate marketing. Let's also hear from Sophia, who runs a small e-learning platform. With the pandemic shifting the education landscape, it was crucial for me to have a reliable online platform. Builderall's e-learning solution is seamless. Not only was I able to create engaging content with their magic text AI, but their comprehensive analytics helped me understand my learners better and tailor my courses accordingly. Today, I have over 5,000 active learners, and my platform's popularity is growing by the day. And then there's Alex, a marketing consultant. With Builderall's wide array of marketing tools, I've been able to elevate my services and provide better results for my clients. The appointment scheduling and webinar hosting features have particularly been a hit. My clients appreciate the convenience, and I love the efficiency. Each of these individuals started their journey just like you, seeking a way to maximize their digital potential. And they found their answer in Builderall. From entrepreneurs looking to streamline their operations to individuals seeking a steady passive income, Builderall has proven to be a reliable solution. These are just a few of the many successful individuals who have leveraged Builderall to earn recurring passive income. So, why is Builderall the best affiliate marketing program for earning recurring passive income? Well, let's break it down. When it comes to affiliate marketing, the commission structure is a major factor. With Builderall, the competitive commission structure is a game changer because of its recurring two-tier passive income earnings. In the sea of affiliate marketing programs, Builderall stands out as it provides a high percentage of commission on sales you make, and from sales made from the people you refer to Builderall. This means that for every sale made through your referral link, you get a generous slice of the pie, and also earn from sales made from the people you refer to Builderall. This is multiplying your earnings exponentially. Moreover, Builderall isn't just about the commission, it's about the ease of use. With most affiliate marketing programs, you need to be somewhat tech-savvy. Not with Builderall. It's designed to be as user-friendly as possible. Whether you're a seasoned digital entrepreneur or a novice, you'll find Builderall's intuitive interface a breeze to navigate. And let's not forget the recurring passive income. Yes, you heard it right. When someone signs up for Builderall through your referral link, you don't just get a one-time commission. No, you get a recurring commission for as long as that person remains a Builderall user. This means that the effort you put in today can pay off for months, even years to come. But the cherry on top, Builderall is not just an affiliate marketing program. It's a comprehensive, all-in-one marketing system. Alongside the affiliate program, you get access to over 25 tools to help you build your online presence and reach your audience. We're talking about everything from a drag-and-drop website design and magic text AI for content creation to email marketing, webinar hosting, and comprehensive analytics. So you're not just promoting a product, you're promoting a solution to a myriad of digital marketing needs. This makes Builderall an easier sell and in turn increases your potential for earning. With Builderall, not only do you get an excellent affiliate marketing program, but also a comprehensive suite of marketing tools to help you succeed. Now that you've heard about the benefits of Builderall, it's time for you to experience it. Imagine having access to over 25 digital marketing tools, all in one place. This is the reality that Builderall offers. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your online business needs, and it's waiting for you to wield its power. Now let's talk about the different packages available. Builderall offers 3 packages: Builder, Marketer, and Premium. The Builder package is perfect for those just starting out. It provides access to all the basic tools you need to create and manage your online presence. The Marketer package, as the name suggests, is built for those ready to take their marketing to the next level. It offers advanced tools to help you reach a wider audience. The Premium package is the all-in-one solution for those ready to fully harness the power of Builderall. It provides access to all available tools, ensuring you have everything you need to succeed. Signing up is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply visit the link in the description below to join, pick the package that suits your needs, and follow the prompts to create your account. You will get free training from a 6-figure super affiliate marketer. You'll be up and running in no time. But the real beauty of Builderall lies in its affiliate marketing program. It's a chance for you to earn recurring passive income. You see, when you recommend Builderall to others and they sign up, you earn a commission. And not just once, but every time they renew their subscription. This means you could be earning income while you sleep, while you're on vacation, or even while you're building your own business using Builderall's tools. It's the gift that keeps on giving. So, are you ready to step into the future of digital entrepreneurship? Are you ready to streamline your operations, reach larger audiences, and generate more leads? Are you ready to earn passive income and achieve financial freedom? If the answer is yes, then it's time to try Builderall. Don't miss out on this opportunity to earn recurring passive income with Builderall. Start your journey towards financial freedom today. Hey there, Affiliate Mastery Hub fam. If you're enjoying the content so far, don't forget to show some love. Give us a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button. And hey, to learn more, or get access to a free training and courses on affiliate marketing, check out the link in the description. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Thanks for being awesome, and I'll catch you in the next video.